Hello everyone, welcome to 2.6, divide by two-digit divisors. The essential question is, how can you divide by two-digit dividers? So, let's divide right there. So, the steps. Check with an estimate, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and then check your answer. So, let's go ahead and get started with number 1. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you guys have a little bit of room here. So, if we're looking at number 1, we got 560 divided by 18. And remember, the first number is what's being divided, so it goes inside the house. So we estimate 18 is close to 20, and 56 is close to 60, because I know 18 doesn't go into 5, so I'll put a 0 here as a placeholder. But 18 is close to 20, and 56 is close to 60. I know it takes 23 times, right? 20 times 3 would make it 60. So I'm going to try 18 times 3. And hopefully that makes it 56. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. That's 54. So I know it goes in there 3 times. So see how I estimated there? I said, okay, I know 18 is close to 20. 56 is close to 60. Right? 18 here. 56 here. I said, okay, well, I know 20 times 3 is 60. So let's do 18 times 3. And I got 54. So I have 2 left over, and I bring down a 20. So now I multiplied, and then I subtracted, now I bring down. All right, I bring down this 20 here. So 18 goes into 20 one time. 20 minus 18 is 2, so it's 31, remainder 2. And that's the remainder, 31, remainder 2. Okay, so this is my final answer. Okay, 31, remainder 2. Alright, let's go ahead and let's do example number 2. So you got, this is example 3 here if you want to write it down. So you have 1,250 and you're dividing that by 41. So I know 41 doesn't go into 1, so I put a 0 as a placeholder. Also doesn't go into 12, so I put that as a placeholder. So I do 125. Well, I know 41 is close to 40, and 125 is close to 120. I know 40 times 3 would make it 120. So let's try 41 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 123. Looks like I can make it no problem. Now I subtract 125 minus 123. You get 2 left over. Bring down the 0. Okay, and you have 20. Well, I know 41 doesn't go into 20, goes in there 0 times, so it's going to be 30, remainder 20. Okay, and the reason we add that 0 up here is because 41 went into 125 3 times, but 1,250, you have to add that 0 because it goes, it doesn't go into 1,253 times. It goes in there 30 times. We didn't use that 0 before, but now we need to. So we need to put it up there. But it's still remainder 20. Okay? And let's do example number 3. 385 divided by 12. So we have 385 that goes inside the house. Divided by 12, it goes outside the house. 12 does not go into 3, so we put a 0 as a placeholder, but it goes into 38. I know my 12s pretty easily. I know 12 times 3 is 36, so I'll just go ahead and do that. I subtract now. 38 minus 36 is 2. Bring down the 5. 12 goes into 25 2 times. 25 minus 24 is 1. So you have 32, remainder 1. And that's how we divide two-digit dividers, you guys. Or divisors, sorry. That's how you divide by two-digit divisors. Let me know if you have any questions. It's fairly simple. Just remember the steps. Okay? And the steps are check with an estimate, which we did. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Check it again. Okay? And you have to repeat those steps depending on how big the number is. All right, you guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.